I'm trying to figure out where did I put the Koenigsegg key. Not there, Koenigsegg key. Oh, here it is. We got a lot on the docket today. And today's video is brought to you guys by Simply Safe. There is no safe like Simply Safe. Oh, sweet baby, hallelujah, the El Koenigsegg. Now, as you guys know, the Koenigsegg is officially available for sale. We actually have some prospective clients coming in from Canada today who are interested in possibly purchasing the car. The twin turbocharged V8 producing in excess of 1,000 horsepower, VIN number 99, the 99th Koenigsegg ever built, the Agera HH. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Now we also have an update on my dad's truck today. So we're gonna head up to DT Auto Brokers right now in the Aventador Roadster. Our friends from Canada, they're gonna be here around 4 to 5 p.m. Now the underground garage, the back cave is under construction. So the car elevator is actually in the up position. It's stuck right there for now, but because the elevator is up, we gotta pull the cars through. We gotta get the Bentley out, we gotta get the Aventador Coupe out and the Aventador Roadster. The cars are very wide and the lift is very narrow. And please, please, please do not comment about the weed problem back here. I was in Italy for 10 days. These weeds did not exist when I left. It rained one time. I feel like the only thing that grows as fast as weeds is Tubby McBlubby, the spare tire, but such is life. Now you'll see the car elevator, like I said, you can get cars through, but it's taped off obviously because there's a lot of paint, a lot of dust going on down in the back cave. Update on that coming pretty soon, decently soon. Big Bertha! Heavy girl. W12 though. I know what you're thinking. How can I not get the Roadster out without moving the coupe? It looks like there's room, and honestly there probably is, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So, I mean, I probably could, but the problem is navigating it, and between the lift, we have maybe an inch and a half on each side. I also know you guys want to see the interior on the Aventador Coupe. It just turned out absolutely ridiculous. This thing is my favorite thing that I've ever done on the channel. I still need to get this piece in carbon fiber as well as the door handles, but that'll come in time eventually. And you know what eventually means. And again. You always got to do it for the cell phone. Here we go. Early morning. A very, very nice GT3, almost a chalk color. The Aventador Roadster has been on the channel for such a long time. It's so easy to take this car, take this color for granted. The flake in the Rosa Cantus on a perfect sunny day in Utah is just absolutely beautiful. Now, good news, bad news. Good news, we got an update on my dad's truck. The bad news is Josh is in Island Park, Idaho, and we're not gonna see his lovely face, and we're not gonna be able to paint sample his beard to the color of the truck. Josh, we miss you, we love you, we support you. Let's go check it out. This thing looks so incredibly beautiful. The gold paint turned out absolutely perfect. It looks just like it did brand new back in 1969, and I just love the headers. Look so incredibly gorgeous. Everything on this engine bay is going to be so clean. You see the wiring harness, super nice right there. Now around 500 horsepower to the crank, maybe like 425 or so to the wheel, which I realize in today's standard doesn't seem like that much, but think about it. Rear wheel drive, front engine, this thing is going to be a burnout machine. Now as far as burnout machines, this is crazy. We're talking 1,004 horsepower N8. There's no turbocharger, there's no supercharger. In 1,000 horsepower, the Chevy 632. This thing is probably gonna pump like wheelies. I would love to do something like that in my dad's truck someday, one day, but this truck has a different purpose. Burnouts is really not the goal. It's more about the vibes, more about the memories. I learned how to drive a manual in this thing back when I was like 13 years old. We're gonna keep the manual, 6-speed manual transmission. I went back and forth about doing a short bed versus the long bed. Long bed is not nearly as cool looking per se, but obviously it's more original. And when I think about my dad and all the memories we have, this is the look right here. I want to take a little bit longer to showcase this bed. It turned out so good. It looks so clean. And then right here, you can see we actually have the original seat. I remember riding in this thing back in the day. Well, I guess 20 odd years ago. I'm kind of sort of aging myself right there. So crazy. The fit and finish on this too, it looks so good. The paint is perfect. All the gapping is perfect. I cannot wait for the first drive in this thing. The first startup is coming pretty soon. I realize there is still a lot to do, but we're getting a lot closer to the finish line. I'll be the first to admit, American muscle cars, especially older classics, it is not my fortitude. This thing, this Mustang though, is this GT500 probably. You can see it looks like It's got a new Coyote, a 5.0 right there. This thing is gonna be wicked as well. I love that truck, and this is coming together. The Blazer is looking sick. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is sort of a short update. There's not too much to update, but like I said, this first startup is coming pretty soon. Fuel line's been run, exhaust has been run, motor's in, radiator, obviously all the electronics, but we're getting there, boys. These things take time too. A full-on restoration, this doesn't happen in a week. Why not? Double downshift and go. That's cool. That's so cool. I miss my Mira. That's like the exact same spec. That's not my car as far as I know. My car went to Arizona, but that car looked to be identical. I enjoyed my Nissan Z a lot, but you never see him. What's up, bro? All right, we got a fan right there in the red Z. Very nice. I just received text confirmation that our Canadian mates are going to be here in about 2 hours. Now, these guys, you might know them, you might recognize them. On that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by SimpliSafe. Now, you guys all know that I love SimpliSafe, but did you know that SimpliSafe has been rated the #1 home security system 5 years in a row by US News and World Reports? 5 years in a row. I use my SimpliSafe home security system every single day. When I was off in Italy, I was on the SimpliSafe app every single day, making sure the house was safe and the cars were safe. When I was up at DT Auto Brokers checking out my dad's truck, I was on the SimpliSafe app, making sure that Oscar was safe. DHL even dropped off a package. I could check out the SimpliSafe app and see who is at the front door. And with SimpliSafe, there's no long-term contracts, there's no hidden fees. You can get started with SimpliSafe for around $1 a day. Now, I have SimpliSafe smart security devices located throughout my entire house. I have outdoor cameras just like that one that cover the entire perimeter. I have indoor cameras, I have smart locks as well as sensors, and they all integrate together seamlessly via the SimpliSafe app. I can actually alarm or disalarm my SimpliSafe home security system anytime, anywhere in the world from the convenience of the SimpliSafe app. I actually also installed my SimpliSafe home security system myself, but SimpliSafe also has professionals that can do it for you. And it gets even better because SimpliSafe has just introduced their state-of-the-art Active Guard outdoor protection. I cannot wait to get it installed on my house. The problem is old school security systems, they only trigger an alarm after an intruder has already broken into your house. They've already stolen your valuables and they've already caused family trauma. But with SimpliSafe's Active Guard, crime can be stopped before it ever happens. With SimpliSafe Active Guard, monitoring agents react in real time to suspicious individuals approaching your home. They can see and speak to them, trigger alarms, and even request urgent police dispatch all before a break-in happens. And don't worry, SimpliSafe's AI technology can identify familiar faces so it won't trigger false alarms. No other home security system offers this level of active protection. And it really is that easy to keep your family safe. Save 50% off your SimpliSafe security system when you sign up for a professional monitoring plan and get your first month free. Visit simplisafe.com/stradman to customize yours. There's no safe like SimpliSafe. Well, the neighborhood is a bit of a construction site, but we got some guests from Canada. Or are they from California? I don't entirely know. Check this out. The boys are back, baby. What's up?
Bitterman, I like your shirt, by the way.
Thank you, thank you.
It's good fashion.
Maybe you should join the squad. I got one for sale.
No,
you guys are buyers.
Do not tell him that.
No?
No.
Okay, I know exactly what to do. We got Dave Squadra Corsa in the Golf livery. That thing is wild. And of course we got Mr. Damon Fryer and the Murcielago, the Lamborghini Murcielago. That blue interior is crazy. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir.
I came for pizza. Do you have pizza here?
No, we don't have pizza. We can find pizza, just not the right pizza. Dude, it's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Dave told me that you should buy the Koenigsegg. That's what he said. Verbatim, word for word. I'm certain that's what he said. He'll take it, he said.
What? No!
No, he said he would. He said he wants it.
He said I gotta buy the Koenigsegg. Yeah, I know. Most impulsive man in the world. By the way, James, your grass looks good.
Last time you were here, I didn't have grass.
You didn't have a gate or anything.
I know.
And that wasn't there.
I know.
Is that the guest house?
You guys are moving in.
Oh, wow.
Welcome to Utah.
So I got something for both the channels.
Oh, wow.
Okay? A little surprise. You both didn't know about it.
It's not our birthdays.
Right? You didn't know, but this is the deal that I kind of had going with James. Koenigsegg, manual mercy swap, and you didn't know Koenigsegg,
you take over the
manual
payments?
mercy swap, right?
Wait, that's all it is. I'll take both cars.
As a deposit.
You guys just take over the payment. You guys could drive to Canada in my car.
I would love to. And genuinely, it's a car on my list that's very short now. After all the years we've been doing this,
right?
Think about how short your list is.
Oh, I know.
But the Koenigsegg, along with the infamous 2-week owned P1 that we had, we have another issue, which is the reason why we actually didn't give it away, but we sold the Senna. Dave and I legitimately cannot get insurance for any car over $1 million. Yep. Unless you want to sell me the egg for
what?
$999.
I thought we...
I will buy it for $999,000.
It's the assessed value.
Yes, that's the
I
problem.
won't do it. You bought it for $1 million.
This is, hold on.
Great.
This is proof that I don't do my own paperwork. He does it. He does it.
Well,
What's assessed?
I guess you guys can leave then.
What's assessed
Assessed value? Dave, you're ruining everything.
bank
So you're like
value,
an accountant. Get out of here. We had a deal in making. For you, Damon?
$3 million?
Oh, we can cut that way down for you. Are you kidding me? Friends and family discount all day, baby.
Can we cut it down to the assessed value?
Well, what is, I don't know what the assessed value, the problem is it's the only one in the world. It's a one of one.
Yeah, it's the HH.
It's the only Agera S in the United States, because all the other Ageras, there's 11, they're all RSs. So my car is 90% of an RS for $1 million discount. You're getting a deal.
That actually is very true.
No, for you guys, I do 2.8. I do 2.8.
2.8 Canadian.
No, that's like,
2.8 Canadian.
that's like giving away the car for free.
And we still can't insure it. Is it over here or over here?
It's right here. It's right here.
Oh,
Bro, sit in.
Dude.
Get in the car.
Oh
Make
my
yourself at home. Here, let me get the dihedral door for you. You talk about the billionaire Lambo doors. What do you call the dihedral doors?
Oh my goodness.
You'll fit just like a glove.
You know, I forgot how beautiful this car is.
Right? It is
Until
pretty
you
special.
get up to it.
I don't want to sell it. I honestly don't want to sell it.
I know. I didn't
It's
want
just,
to.
it's just
Hey, I don't want to.
payments. It's payments. It's payments. And unfortunately, nobody cares.
I was about
Nobody
to say.
cares anymore.
Nobody on the internet
No.
cares about much of anything anymore. Have you disclosed what the payments on this were based on your down payment and everything? Have you talked to those
Yeah,
numbers?
35 grand. 10 days
The
ago,
Senate was 17. I thought
10
that was
days ago, they took 35K out of my bank account. They've done that 19 times.
May I sit in it?
Of course, absolutely. Make yourself
You
comfortable.
really have to know how to sit in one of these.
You do.
Because
You do.
this.
Yep.
We used to talk about. You were the big like girth.
Yes, Girth Nation, baby.
It's look at the stretch I got going
I just
on.
love that Damon is already getting a selfie with his new car. Look at that smile right there. That is the shot. So we made a deal. So I'm taking the Mercy and the Squadra course, and you guys are riding the Koenigsegg back to Canada.
Mercy, Squadra Corsa.
And you take it with payments.
I'll probably gotta give you the SVJ too.
Sure, we'll take the SVJ. Where's the SVJ right now?
Canada actually.
Oh, really? Oh, I assumed I was gonna have to pay for shipping from like Asia.
No, Canada.
Oh, nice. Okay.
If you want, with 1016 wide body.
Dude, I'll take yeah.
Revolta.
I'll take that for sure. Yeah.
It's almost like I've done this
Dude,
before.
look at that. Look at that smile though.
Hey,
that's a smile you make when you buy a brand new hypercar.
And you didn't make your thumbnail with AI.
Yes, well I'm making my thumbnail with AI.
Is there a
Are you
warranty
kidding me?
on this?
No. But it's fully
Can you
serviced.
throw the warranty in?
I could warranty it for
Has to cover Damon Fryer though.
God.
probably
that
not.
for a
Yeah,
second.
no, I don't.
There goes how much?
$2 million.
This interior is absolutely crazy. It is so beautiful. Alcantara too, has it worn pretty well?
Pretty good considering.
Considering, right? I mean, you guys obviously drive a ton.
A ton. You know what? You have that
Mercy,
recommended the
mercy.
Sonax Alcantara cleaner.
Oh yeah, oh that stuff
It
is
actually
liquid gold.
It saves me.
Oh yeah,
'Cause,
big
like, look,
time.
I kicked the dash and I kicked here
Yep.
and it's worked. Look, 10 times
Flawlessly.
worse, and I've actually cleaned
Dude,
it up.
this turned out so cool though. Wow, that is sick. And the pedals as well. So Damon and Dave are driving up to Montana this evening to Big Sky. We're gonna roll them for a little bit in the Koenigsegg. I wanna try to keep the miles off this thing a little bit, lift on up. We do not wanna scrape that carbon fiber splitter because we are trying to sell this baby. You gotta see this baby on the road. The road presence, it's got the yellow halogens. This thing in the rear view mirror is very intimidating. You'll also notice it's significantly wider than my Murcielago. Gated manual, blue interior. The spec on this thing, Damon has done a lot of nice cars, but this might be my favorite build that I've ever seen. Of course, we love the Squadra course, the last iteration of the famous Gallardo. VF engineered supercharger. These two cars together, that is a cool pair. I also just realized my Koenigsegg is covered in like a thick layer of dust. Now don't worry, we got full PPF, ceramic coating. I gotta wash it. I'm not driving it because I'm trying to keep the miles down because I'm trying to sell it.
The worst parking job on planet
You're in a
Earth.
Murcielago, don't matter, bro. It's a wedge. You can't. That's what people don't understand. Parking a Murcielago,
It's
it
so hard.
doesn't make sense.
Can't do it.
No, it doesn't make sense. It messes with you because it's so much wider in the rear than it is the front. Every time I park,
This
yeah,
looks
you're in the
okay,
lines. You're in the lines.
But if you look on this side,
Now you're good.
you would think I still drink.
Yeah, you're not wrong there.
I feel like I nailed it.
You got a backup
you guys.
camera.
No, I don't.
No, you don't.
sir.
They didn't put a backup camera on a Squadra course.
It's,
Nope.
it's how many years of ownership now?
6.
My 06 has a backup camera. Were they no save weight or something?
Yeah, Squadra Course, it's a race. It's a race.
Oh yeah, you're a race car driver. No,
you just gotta
you're
feel
like
for it. You know
you're
what
like
you're
Mario Andretti.
Didn't you see that? It was one of our titles and thumbnails. It was
DDE racing.
rear camera delete.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Five Guys this is the ultimate throwback. Ace Spade Rally, Five Guys with the boys.
God, that's
This
right.
is 2017.
Hey, Ace Spade Rally is like right now.
Is it really?
They're going to Nashville right
Remember
now.
when you got pulled over in Ontario for having a radar detector? You got in a fight, and I just stood on the side of the road holding the camera. I was so scared. Video did like 3 million views. Thank you.
I got out and I was like, film this. You were like, I'm on it.
See you guys. Drive safe. Big Sky, Montana. 7 hours to go.
7 hours? You said it was 45 minutes.
No, you got 7 hours. You're going to Montana, bro.
How far is Montana? I gotta learn my geography. I left school at grade 7.
It's a long ways that way.
I thought we were going that way.
You guys just came that way.
Okay. You'll lead us out of town?
Yeah, I'll cruise you for a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, try to keep up. I mean, I should be getting in my Murcielago, right? Isn't that what we decided?
You should be. You should be. We'll talk.
Yeah, calculate some numbers.
Take a few more things out of Dave's salary.
Talk to your accountant. Talk to your finance guy. Talk to your money manager.
That's me.
Think about it, Dave.
I'm slaving my butt off on Gold Rush Rally, and this guy's in Europe spending all the company funds.
So are you?
Yep.
I had a Rockform promo.
It sounds like a Ponzi scheme right there to me. Are you kidding me? That thing sounds so killer. The one thing about the Koenigsegg twin turbo V8 versus V12, you can't beat a Mercy.
Yeah, I was gonna say, the turbos are cute.
They are. Dude, that thing sounds crazy. I gotta get this Koenigsegg to the car wash. The windscreen is just covered in dust. But the Mercy, oh sweet Mercy. What in the world? What? That sounds out of this world. That Mercy is so loud. It is so nostalgic cruising with the DDE boys. Jeez, that thing sounds so insane. V10, the 5.2. I don't know if you guys can see the headlights right there, but it looks so crazy in the rear view mirror. This thing absolutely stinks. I'm in love with this car. My favorite car in the DDE fleet. Sweet Mercy, Mercy, Mercy. And of course, the doors up. Only Dave can pull that off. I can't hear you. Damon thinks I can hear him. I couldn't hear anything you were saying.
I said Italian air conditioning.
Yes, oh yeah, that's true. Swedish air conditioning, right there. The Swedish.
That is a crazy plan.
Just don't hit the car, right? See you, Dave. Take care. See you, Damon. I don't know a lot about 993s, but I know that thing is worth a pretty fortune. That is beautiful. I know the car is filthy, but there's so much construction going on in the neighborhood. Don't worry, I got paint protection film, I got a ceramic coating. We're just gonna wash her down. Should be as good as new. Every single time I drive the Koenigsegg now, I always think to myself, is this the last time we're gonna drive the Agera? Because there's the chance, you never know. A car like this, it could sell in a day. It might take a month, it might take a year, but you never know. Could be the final drive. What do you think, bud? You want to sail to Koenigsegg? Should we sail to Koenigsegg? I will say, seeing the Monterey Blue under like this evening light, this car is so killer. It is such a fantastic looking car from every single angle. But as I've said in the previous video, it just has diminishing returns. The first time I drove this car, it was the best drive of my life. The second time was like a little bit less cool, still very cool. And unfortunately, after owning the car for 19, almost 20 months, it just isn't worth the squeeze. The payments ain't worth the squeeze. I've checked the box. I've loved the car. Like I said, I might sell this car tomorrow. I might have this car in a year. I might make 12 more payments. A car like this, it's a one-on-one car. It's the 99th Koenigsegg ever built. It's the only Agera S in the country, one of 5 in the world. A car like this does not sell overnight, so we'll just kind of sort of see. I've had a lot of interested parties. More updates coming soon, but on that bombshell, today's video is over. Dave just asked off camera how the weight gain is. What are you trying to imply?
How's it going?
Do I look chubby?
Not bad.
I got a little spare tire? I've added 10 pounds.
Skinny guys only gain weight right
different
there.
type of dough.
I know. I am now the Pillsbury Doughboy.